gonna change everything. All right, so about a year ago, I decided to take my furniture business super serious. No more hobby. This thing is real. The thing is, I needed sales. I needed funding for my projects. I need projects all the time. If I don't have a project, I'm insufferable. And so what I did is I reached out to all of the interior designers in the Twin Cities areas asking if they needed furniture. While I got some responses here and there, it was mostly, yeah, we'll put you on the list. We'll keep in touch. Nothing really materialized from it. Until a couple weeks back, I got a message from an interior designer that I had reached out to months ago. She was asking if I had any furniture that she could use for a staging project. The staging project would be a part of the Parade of Homes Spring Tour. Now, if you don't know, the Parade of Homes is a month-long event with hundreds of houses on display showcasing builders, designers, realtors, and even furniture makers' work. It's a huge deal. Now, let me tell you a little bit more about the house. The house is a new build, and it's in the most sought-after neighborhood in the Twin Cities, Edina, Minnesota. It's over 5,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, and $1.8 million. But here's the thing. Last time I talked to the designer, the house wasn't done yet, and I have to deliver the furniture in 3 days. The event starts in 1 week from today. So I hope it's done, but in the meantime, there's a lot of work that I have to do. So let's get to it. All right, one of the things that I had to do was create some marketing material. I worked with the designer on establishing what I needed, and what we landed on was having a coaster on the specific pieces throughout the house, and then some marketing material centralized in the house. One of the things that I had to think about was, how do I leverage this opportunity? You know, there are a couple of things that I would like to get out of this. First being sales, next would be traffic and, you know, awareness. That's kind of what I wanted to key in on. Ooh, okay. So this is what's going to be on the specific pieces. Ooh, nice, okay. Yeah, these turned out great. I need to deliver the furniture tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line everything up in my garage, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna load up my truck and then deliver it. All right, so that is almost everything. I have a couple serving boards and kind of kitchen stuff still that I have to put on here. But yeah, it's a solid pile, and I'm super excited to see what it looks like in the house. Everything's packed up, as you maybe can see. Let's see if it is done. Hopefully it's all done, and we can move all this stuff in. All right, so I just pulled up to the house, and oh my gosh, it looks incredible.
Things we could do if you gave me one more sign. I could find a way to break through, a way to break through.
All right, that wraps things up. I think everything turned out amazing. What an awesome opportunity it was to work with an interior designer on such a cool project. I'm super thankful for that, and I'm really hoping that I can do things like this in the future. It was a change of pace, but it was super fun. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like the video. Stay tuned for more videos.